Hey beauties, it's about time for this henna mask treatment. You guys know how I feel about henna. For the people who follow me know that henna is a big part of my healthy hair regimen, and usually I do use it in the tea form. Now I'm going to be using it in the mask form more often. So this is my second time using this henna package, and I feel like my results came out better compared to the first time. The package has 9 natural herbs that help to condition, nourish, revitalize, helps fight scalp infections, prevent dandruff, darkens the hair color, gives the hair a silky feeling, adding moisture, shine, and helps promote growth, of course. I love the fact that it's less than $3 for this package, and it's super easy to mix. The recipe calls for just to add water, but you guys know you can pimp it out to whatever your hair loves. So I did not measure how much henna I put into my bowl, but it was pretty much, it's less than a cup. It's like a half a cup or less. So I'm going to be adding in some Tailored Beauty oil because it is one of my favorites and has a whole bunch of stuff in there. And it was probably about a tablespoon. And then I'm going to go in with probably about a teaspoon of argan oil. And then I'm going to add about a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and of course some honey, because y'all know I love honey. So this is the aloe vera juice that is my favorite, and I'm going to add it. And I did mix water into this little cup here, so it's pretty much 2/3 aloe vera juice, 1/3 water, but I do end up using more aloe vera juice because for the mix, the first time I did this mix, my mixture was more on the watery side, and I knew I did not want to go ahead and do that again for the second time because it is so messy. We know henna stains. So I did make this second mix a lot more thicker. You guys are going to see. And I do prefer a thicker mixture. So I'm going to be adding in a little bit more aloe vera juice just until I get the right consistency. Now it's perfect. The recipe says to let it sit for about 2 to 3 hours. My mix sat for 3.5. When I first did the treatment back in December, I believe I went in on an old wash and go, so I went in on dry hair. This time around, I went into the shower and rinsed my hair clean in warm water. So I got gloves, my spray bottle, scissors, and a bunch of napkins. The napkins are here to help me clean up the mess because it does get everywhere even though it's thicker. I also recommend wearing gloves and an old t-shirt. This stuff does stain. If you don't want your nails to turn colors, wear gloves. And also too, it will provide you a better slip. And I got my scissors with me just in case I need to cut any bad ends. The spray bottle is there because my hair was drying up, and it just helped just to spread the henna around more easily. I love this stuff. I do recommend for anybody who just wants to try it out, just wants to see how it will do in their hair. It is less than $3, and I'm from Canada, so I can imagine how cheap it will be for you guys in the States. And it's an easy mixture. All you have to do is add whatever instead of going to the stores and buying a bunch of other ingredients. It's just one quick package. For the recipe, you do have to leave it on your hair for about 3 to 4 hours. I did about 4.5 hours. You guys know I'm extra. But all I can say is the stuff is good. I love me my henna, and my hair grew compared to December. If you guys watch that video again, the quality, my hair is on fire. My hair is growing. Okay, journey to waist length. I swear to you, I'm getting there. This healthy hair journey is on the right track. Henna ain't going nowhere besides my hair. Keep watching. It's super simple. It's straight to the point. You guys know me. Enjoy.